Hi everybody, I wanted to make a video real quick so that I can show you how to access virtual job shadowing. Virtual job shadowing, you can actually check out jobs that you might be interested in, and you actually can even do a little assessment to find out what you might be interested in based on what you like. You actually can do a little survey and you can't get any of it wrong because it's all about you. So anyway, if you're in your SchoolNet account, or we call it PowerSchool, if you will go to this little blue C and click on that, that is the Clever account. Okay, and it's going to in a second. So I'm going to log in with NC EdCloud right here. So that's what you're going to do. You're going to click on Log In with NC EdCloud. And hopefully it's going to take me to the next page. Give it just a minute. Okay, so here we are. I'm in Clever, logged in through NC Ed. And I'm going to scroll all the way down here to the bottom. And the very last app or icon right here is virtual job shadowing. So I'm going to click on that. Takes it a minute. Okay, so it says welcome back because I've been here before. So I'm not sure how often they change this, if they change it every week, but actually they kind of feature a career here, and they have lots of little videos, and you can do a watch now. But before you, if you have no idea, especially of what you would like to do, what I want to say is if you can either go here to Tools and Assessments, or even up here, Tools and Assessments. Okay, so it says Career Clusters Interest Survey. Okay, like I said, you can't get any of that wrong because it is all about you. Okay, so I've already done one. You see I did one back here on October the 21st. It even saves my results. But if you just click here, Start New, and it tells you a little introduction. But here is how you, so question 1, it says, do I like learning how things grow and stay alive? I mean, maybe. I'm going to say myself neutral, but you might love it. If you definitely like it, click definitely like. If you definitely dislike it, click definitely dislike. But I'm going to kind of go neutral. But that's basically how the questions go. So I'm going to click Start Survey. I'm not going to do this for but gathering evidence to solve a case. Oh yeah, I like that. I definitely like that. So I'm going to click that. Creating reports to present detailed information. I kind of dislike that. I don't really want to do reports. Working to affect change in my community. I definitely like that. So actually you're going to go through all of these. It says 102 questions, but I promise you it'll take you about 10 minutes to do that. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my tools and my assessments to the one that I've saved. Okay, so you can see that's the one I just started today, but I can review my results from the one I did on October the 21st. Okay, so here are my results. My top results came in education and training or in human services. Okay, you can see I was like right here, neck and neck for those two. Then I had 18 in law and public safety. But so what I'm going to do is, so now I'm going to click on this link, education and training. And based on my results, based on what I chose, these are all the careers in that career cluster. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of look through here. And these are actually, they have interviewed different people who do these different jobs. And if you see a little blue button right there, you can actually access a video on that job. So let's see here. I am going to, let me see what I'm putting. Oh, look, school counselor. Hey, that's what I am. I'm glad that I'm in the right career field. But let's see. So, for example, right here, this one says coaches and scouts. This one, these little blue marks, they don't have a video for that, but I can click on it, and it is actually going to tell me a little bit about what coaches and scouts do, how much pay they make, how to become a coach or a scout, the job outlook, and the work environment. Okay, and so over here I can also click on the career description, what coaches and scouts normally do, the required education, how much school do I need to have for that. I picked that one because I know lots of people like sports. Earnings, this is how much earning, and you can even change what state. So I'm going to say South Dakota. You can change the state, like if you are moving, and So anyway, future outlook, this is going to be like how many people are still going to be, is that job still going to be around in the future? Additional links, you can do college search. So these are some colleges that maybe offer this program in North Carolina, or you can choose the state. You can, and it will change for you, and then you can even click on that college to see what kind of college it is, how many people are there, what the tuition is. So this is pretty cool. And let me see if I can get back to my, okay, so I went back to my other tab, jobs and internships, if there's any out there, and then related careers. And so related careers are other careers in that area that are kind of similar to the one that you're looking at. So I am not going to play all the video. Dive safety officer, I'm going to play a little clip of that video just so you can kind of see.
If you've ever wanted to swim with sharks, come dive with us at the Oregon Coast Aquarium. My name is Jenna Walker, and I'm the Diving Safety Officer at the Oregon Coast Aquarium, located here in Newport, Oregon.
Okay, so I'm not going to play that whole video, but you can kind of get the gist of what it's about. So all the careers that they have something for, they have a little video, and it's kind of like a day in the life of. The videos are normally, let's see how long this video is. They're normally just a couple of minutes, maybe 5 or 6 at the longest. But anyway, you can search careers, or like I said, you can do the assessment tool and find out about you know, your interest in what careers might be. Because I have a lot of students that say, hey, I have no clue what I want to do. So this is maybe an idea. And when we are in school, okay, so when we're back in school like normal, hopefully one day, we actually have a job shadowing program. So if it is a career where, now I would say it would probably be hard for us to get you to hang out for a day with astronaut, because we don't have many astronauts around here. But if it's something like a veterinarian or a lawyer or something like that, then we actually have face-to-face job shadowing that we can work out through our career development coordinator. So, but while we don't have that, definitely job shadowing is a great way to pursue that. So also you've got this career tabs, Career Central. You can even save some of these as your favorites. So anyway, I just kind of wanted everybody to, let me get back to the home page. I wanted everybody to be able to find, you know, a way to kind of figure out, hey, what do I want to do? Okay, so let me see if I can get back here to the home page. I clicked on, there we go. So I'm back, I clicked on the virtual job shadowing tab here, and it took me back to the home page. Like I said, these are kind of neat. We need farmers. We definitely do. In case you didn't know that your food does not magically appear at the grocery store, farmers have to do that. So, but they have a goal setting. You can save your stuff in here. So anyway, just wanted to kind of, like I said, it also has a little resume creator. Do that as well. I made a little, you just type in the information and it puts in here for a resume for you. So that's really cool to have as well. So the difference between a resume and a job application. So if a resume is something that you kind of send out to a bunch of different people for you to say, hey, I'm interested in working for your company. And then if they contact you, then you would do the job application, and it's more specific. So a resume is just kind of like a one-page thing that you kind of tell a little bit about your education and your work experience and what you're really good at. Okay, so that is the difference. So check out virtual job shadowing, and I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, please email your counselor, whether that's me or whether that's Miss Manning, Miss O'Neill, or Miss Banker. So we're here to help, but check it out. Hope you're doing well. Okay, have a great day. Bye.